Hello everyone, I hope everybody is having a great time. I had a little problem with the car. I'm talking about a 2012 Chevy Suburban. It's a 4x4 LT version. I had a little problem where check engine light popped in, and when I scanned it, it showed me that there was a random misfire somewhere. And as you know, a random misfire can be a lot of things, and it's a very pain in the butt to find it. So what happened was, I took it to the mechanic. I left the car for 2 full days. They told me, a bunch of stuff were wrong, but once we changed the stuff, the problem continued. The engine was shaking, it was misfiring, it wasn't sounding that well. So I've decided to spare some time from my own and take a look at it myself. Thank God I found out the problem, and it was a very simple issue where the map sensor was not good. And the map sensor in this particular car, the 2012 Chevy Suburban 5.3 engine size vertex, is located right on top. It's this part right here. It's only $45 of the Chevy Suburban, of the Chevy dealer. I'm sorry about that. It's just too early. I still haven't had my coffee, but I paid $45 at the Chevy dealership for this. I went and grabbed it, put it on, problem solved. Engine runs like a switch was. It's just like perfectly smooth. But be careful, you guys. If you take this, when you try to take this part out, this is the clip that holds it, and this is nothing but plastic, and it's very fragile. So there's, I believe, like, yeah, it's right here. So you push it, kind of like you push, turns the left, and then lift with a screwdriver gently, so you don't break the clip right here. And then you just pull out this plastic clip, and then you pull out the actual sensor, the map sensor, and then install it. Just push down and put the clip back in. So I hope I hope that somebody will find this beneficial. Sorry about my stuttering. Like I said, it's very early in the morning. I haven't had my coffee yet, so I've decided to make this short video. Maybe somebody will find it beneficial and helpful. As always, have a wonderful day. God bless, and stay positive, guys. Bye-bye.